guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 8. Oh my god, in today's video is gonna be very different, guys. Like, it's not gonna be anything Christmassy. Well, you can actually rock this on Christmas Day if you're going to church, but I had an order to make this autogele for a client, and I remembered late that I'm supposed to video the process, so I just wanted to show you a short clip on how I achieved this autogele. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do the needful and subscribe by clicking that big red subscribe button below this video, and let's get to the video. So all you have to do after making your autogele base, you cut out like 30 or 40 inches of your ASOOKE. You join them to get that length, and then you join it to your autogele base and just start pleating with your hand. As you pleat, you push the upper part, just like you see me do. I pleat and I'm pushing it up. I pleat as I'm pushing it up until I get to the end of that part. So as you can see, one side is done. If you guys want to see a full tutorial on how I do this, kindly leave a comment below in the comment section, guys. You guys are not commenting. In fact, I even wanted to stop the vlogmas, guys, but since I made a commitment, I just decided to post this. So guys, try and comment and let me know. If you want to see a full detailed video on how I made this, kindly comment and I'll create one video for you guys. So then you tack the handle, you tack it very well, and then you repeat the same process on the following side. And as you can see, we've got ourselves a beautiful round autogele. So all you just have to do is start tacking your pleats, and you make sure when you're tacking your pleats that the thread doesn't show. And my client needed like a knot on top at the side of the gele. That's why you see that part like that. So I'm just gonna go and tack it, attach my handles, and then we're done, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you all tomorrow. I love you. Bye.